Hi, it's our first ride of the season with all 3 boys and Chad. It's a beautiful day, a little windy, but it should be fun. And we're doing a trail that's new to me. I've never done it before.
Yeah, it's called Chris Mountain. It's a little short trail, but it goes straight up the mountain. So there's switchbacks and rocks. It's fun. Just a little bit of a challenge.
All right. Thank you for watching.
So we're right here. We're gonna go up this little trail, Chris Mountain, and then there's a loop that goes off, and there's a lot more trails over here for some reason that's not on the map.
That's weird. Why is it? Hell yeah, here's here, and then here's where we're going. Boop. What is the name of that app that we use, the map?
Cotrex. Cotrex is awesome. That's pretty accurate, I found. They've got some things that they say maybe be ATV trails that aren't, so you kind of have to check them a little bit. But
so this is Turkey Springs Road connecting to the Chris Mountain ATV trail.
Well, this is my bike. It's a Husaberg. It's a 2013. It's called a TE 300. It's a 2-stroke, pretty nice bike. Even though it's a 2013, it's nice. I like it. It's got an electron carburetor in it, so it keeps up with the altitude nice. It was really fun getting that tuned in, but once we got it tuned in, it was nice. The bike came with FMF exhaust and, you know, cartridge shocks, and everything's really nice. So it's kind of an interesting bike. It's kind of a cross between a KTM and a Husqvarna. KTM owned Husaberg, so they were making KTM style bikes for a while. So it has really pretty blue plastic that I've taken off because I tip it over a lot, and I didn't really want to mess with the blue plastic. The blue plastic is almost unattainium, but the white Husqvarna plastic is cheap, and I go through it. It's okay.
Somebody needs to send you some stickers. Then you can pull again.
Yeah, maybe. They give me a hard time because I turned my bike white, but it's okay.
Yeah. Maybe
one of these days I'll put the blue plastics back on and make it look fancy again.
The day you sell it.
Maybe.
All right, here they go. Little rascals. Sawyer just discovered that his bike has a horn, and he's really enjoyed it up to this point. All right, finally. Oh, guess not. Okay. So the trail's the other way, and I keep waiting for them to take off. There we go. Somebody's moving. There we go. How come you didn't go with them?
I'm gonna let them get ahead. I don't like eating dust.
Steepest climb, and we'll go back down it, and I'm going to try to get something recorded because I realized I turned the camera on and then it recorded 4 seconds and then turned off, so that's unfortunate. That was a really nice spot to picnic or camp. It's shady, it's out of the wind, it's semi-windy today, so it didn't feel windy at all in there. This is an area where they've done mastication, bulldozing, and other fire mitigation. They haven't done a controlled burn here, as far as I'm aware. Last year it was nice because it was such a smoky summer that they actually, instead of doing controlled burns, they came through and did a lot of mastication. And that is such a huge relief and a break from smoke, because that smoke will get to you after a while. That gentleman was so polite, he got off the trail for us That was not the four-wheeler that I saw earlier, so I know we have another person coming up. Gosh, this was a huge tree that fell. Look at that. Oh, here's a big drop. It's gonna flap. It's gonna flap around. Sam's helmet visor lost a screw and it's flopping and driving him crazy. Look at that wash. I'm glad we slowed down before we hit that, huh, Sammy? What are your top items to bring when you go on a ride?
The bike.
Ooh.
The gloves.
Gloves, yeah.
And the helmet.
Sander, what are your favorite things to bring on a ride? Food, okay.
Food, water, all my riding gear, and gas. Extra oil, for sure.
Extra oil, yeah. Smart man.
Figured that one out
yeah.
last time.
I don't know where anybody is. They've all gone off and left me. I kind of wish I knew where they were because I just got whacked in the leg really hard by a big branch that I ran over a log. I don't know what it was. It's the first time I've ever had a tire throw up a big old log like that onto my leg. I kind of just want to stop for a little bit, but I don't know where they are. Silas, what do you always bring on a ride?
Tubular nylon.
What? Do you have that? Prove it. Have you ever needed tubular nylon?
We've needed rope before, but tubular nylon's better.
How much stuff can you fit up in that little pocket? Oh yeah, what's in here? So Silas is our prepper. He's the one who always has everything and anything. That's it?
Uh-huh.
Let me see.
Ah!
It's a little dusty.
All right. Bro has receipts. What do you have in this thing? Anything essential or just stuff?
We have a KTM thing, like little baby survival kit thing. A KTM kit with everything. I'm pretty sure there's even a bottle opener in here.
Cool. Wow,
That's a lot of stuff.
Good job. You're prepared. What are your important things to bring?
Probably water, first thing, and a cell phone. So if something happens, and always bring a bag with some snacks and keep a toolkit on the bike with a spark plug and a few other essentials. Never know.
Oh, what is this? Okay. Now what? I don't know why they just leave me and assume I'm going to be competent. Sammy, what's the most important thing for you to bring on a ride?
4-liter.
A four-wheeler?
Snacks.
Yeah.
And a helmet.
And a helmet. Oh, good answer. He wasn't even coached on that. I always bring Chad. That's my important survival tool. Water, toilet paper. Nobody said toilet paper because they don't know. And
Toilet paper?
yeah, that's about it. And I think I'm generally good to go. Water, toilet paper, Chad, and I'll survive. Here you can see where they've bulldozed a lot of trees down, and they've bulldozed the trail too. It's pretty smooth. All of this is fire mitigation. Oh look, Sammy, we're gonna have to drive over a tree. Oh, okay, hold on, here we go. Woo, we did it! You can see on this trail where it transitions from smooth, nice dirt to a lot of loose rock. Sam asked me to go slow, so I'm going to try to go nice and easy. The boys always tell me the faster you go over rocks, the smoother it is. I don't know if that's true because you've got fast bumpy and slow bumpy, and I guess it depends on your mood that day which one's the most palatable. Whoop! There we go. This is a cool trail though. I've never been on this one, and you know, all these trails, they're like kind of similar and then like kind of different in a way, you know, everything has their own special attribute. And this one's pretty fun. I think if you were someone who wanted to camp and take your ATVs and bring in your gear on an ATV, this would be a cool place because it's not a long ride. And you could set up your campsite and then you could ride all day and do your thing. And I think that would be kind of cool. All right, what are we gonna pick, Sam? Got it. You okay, bud? Oh, this is smooth rock right here. This is like a cobblestone road compared to what we were just over. Look at that, yeah. Well, back to uneven. Our moments of glory here. Here we go, here we go. So last year, I looked at a picture from last year. I think it's actually the picture on my YouTube homepage. And my arms were like jacked. I was looking good. And then I watched a video of me riding this four-wheeler and I realized that is why my arms are looking so toned, because you're just fighting this thing on these rocks. It's a good little arm workout. That'll be the next high-tech exercise equipment that they come out with. The ATV simulator where you just sit and fight handlebars for half an hour. Come out ripped. I left the four-wheeler on so we can cool down. It started to heat up on my leg. Hear it? Cool the poor thing down. What'd you think?
It's good. There's a few miles of just rocks.
My four-wheeler's in Batmobile mode. I finally remembered to bring snacks. I'm the worst about just bringing water, and then we get up and the boys are like, I'm hungry. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so today we're actually prepared. Sam, are you enjoying your snack? Yeah, good. Lara bars, Cliff bars, trash, the snacks we've already eaten, Gatorade.
I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this after I eat.
So, how are you liking your helmet?
Oh, my helmet?
Your namesake.
I'm finally wearing my helmet. I haven't worn it in all this season until now. Chad found this brand, Cali, which is also my name. So Chad hooked me up. He got me a Cali helmet, 100% goggles, and this Cali riding shirt. And it's pretty cool. So that's my name right there. So, and it's good. I haven't gotten hit by bugs today, or I had a rock fly up in my face. So helmets for more than just crashing, I suppose. So.
Well, controlling the uncontrollable.
That's me. I like it when trails are shady. I think it's much more enjoyable. You just feel less cooked by the end of it. Time I went on the switchback, I drove through my own dust. This one's a lot cleaner. I just don't think this is going to be a trail that you're going to be flying up and down just because of how loose and... So another switchback. All right. That one was a fun one. Look at that. Beautiful aspens. Oh, I love it. Every day they're leafing out a little bit more and a little bit more. And now it really is starting to look like summer. Of course, the oaks aren't doing anything yet. They're like, no. And that's it. We did it. The Chris Mountain Trail in the mighty San Juan Mountains.
Well, we made it back down Chris Mountain. We went up, did the loop up there. I would guess maybe 2 or 3 mile loop, and then back down. Came way we came. So it was good. No accidents, no wrecks or anything like that. Everyone did well.
Remember the days we were young.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night